Do you want to speak English better but you don't have anyone to talk to? That's okay. You can still improve your English speaking skills on your own. In this lesson, I will show you a simple method that really works, even if you are learning by yourself. But first, let me tell you a short story. This is the story of Manohar. Manohar lives in a small town in India. He always wanted to speak English, but he had a big problem. No one around him spoke English. He watched videos on YouTube and listened to English songs. He read English books too, but when he tried to speak, the words didn't come out. He felt nervous and didn't know what to say. He was learning English, but he was not speaking it. One day, Manohar found a simple method. He watched a short English video, paused it, and tried to repeat the same message in his own words. He didn't copy every word exactly. He just understood the meaning and said it in a simple way. At first, he could only say short phrases like, "The boy is running," or "She is happy today." But with practice, he started saying full sentences like, "The boy was running because he was late for school." This method is called imitation. Imitation means listening to something in English and then saying the same idea in your own way. You don't need to use the exact same words. You just understand the message and speak it in your style. It helps you think in English and speak more naturally. For example, if you hear, "She goes to the market every Saturday to buy vegetables," you can say, "She buys vegetable from the market every Saturday." It's the same idea, but the words are a little different. This kind of speaking practice helps you understand and express ideas in your own way. Let me explain how to use this method step by step. First, start with something easy. Listen to short phrases or simple sentences. Pause and repeat them out loud. Try to speak clearly for, "I like tea," or "She is a teacher." This will help you get comfortable with speaking. Next, try longer sentences. Listen to a sentence, pause, and then try to say the same idea in your own way. For example, if you hear, "He didn't go to school because he was sick," you can say, "He was sick, so he stayed home." You're still saying the same thing, but in your own words. After that, try to speak about a full topic or story. Listen to a short story, then pause the video or audio, and try to tell the same story in your own way. It's okay if you forget some parts. Just try to remember the main ideas and speak freely. This helps you become a confident speaker. This method is good for many reasons. You learn how to build correct sentences. You hear real English grammar, but you don't have to study grammar rules. You learn useful words and phrases that people use in daily life. You also stop being afraid of speaking. The more you practice, the better you become. You don't need a speaking partner. You don't need a classroom. You just need your voice, your time, and your will to learn. Like Manohar, you can speak English by yourself. One step at a time. Keep practicing. You will get better every day.